quality of the speakers, okay. Yeah. All right. Pwede na. But
hey.
Slightly better. Slightly better, right?
Slightly
it
better.
helps.
Yes,
Oh,
it
hey.
does.
What's up, guys?
All right. Hey, neighbors. Today we're talking about DIY hacks for your bedroom. Welcome back to Next Upgrade, your ultimate guide to transforming your home into a smart one.
You're probably wondering why we're sticking my phone in here. Well, that's because we want to show you two ways of being able to be smart with your home upgrades. You can either do DIY hacks like this, or you could get the actual smart device that can help make your life easier. I got it. See, look at this.
So the very first one is the DIY speakers, and we used to do this back in the day when we didn't have speakers or our speakers just weren't working. And it's not loud enough, especially for a group of people. Just get a glass, pop in your phone, and it amplifies the sound.
What if you don't have a glass this big at home?
Sir!
But if you want to make your life much easier, honestly, you want to just ditch this altogether. We got this guy over here. Hello. Let's upgrade your bedroom with this hefty piece of tech. All right, so instead of those DIY speakers over there, why not get the Sonos soundbar? It's a compact and portable speaker with surround sound. This looks like if you're gonna travel and you want to set up like an entertainment center on the go kind of thing, then this is it. This could be a nice little centerpiece for that. See this Sonos? It's an anagram. So which means if you put it upside down, watch this, flip, 1, 2, 3, flip. It still says Sonos exactly the same way. Isn't that so cool? Wow. That's so nice. That's so nice, you know what I mean? Nice. You know what else is nice about it, Bea? It actually has Dolby Atmos. So you can have that precise sound from wall to wall. Hindi na kailangan ng baso.
Another thing that I liked about this comes with an app. You can pair it with your device so that it analyzes your surroundings and it can give you a more accurate acoustic sound, and you can also adjust the levels.
Hindi mo pwede adjust yung levels ng baso kasi.
Wala.
Walang ganun.
Walang ganun.
Dito may app.
Dito meron. So, go for the quick solution of DIY or actually invest in something that elevates and upgrades your entire home.
What if you don't have RGB and you only have plain white lights like this? I think Bea is working on the solution right now. What do you have in your hand right now, Bea?
Don't worry, all you need is cellophane and scissors and also tape. And then we can make RGB. Here's the magic. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Red light. Look at that ambient light, just like that, right? If you want to use this to accent your walls for your TikTok videos, your reels, whatever it is, you got some red light. Check out this video if you want more colorful options. Really cool. Dude, super galing. That was really cool. Right? I never thought about doing that. But then I feel like you need to have it in the right conditions where the room needs to be super dark. Pretty dark, yeah. For sure. But can you just imagine how many markers and how many cellophanes you're gonna need to produce that very different variations of colors? But you have a solution for that, right? We got smart bulbs. I was saying earlier on that like you got access to like 16 million different colors. So if you could go this route with the lamp and the cellophane, or you could go with a more automated route, right? And these are actually made for that specific purpose, right? So this is why we don't really need to do DIY things anymore. And I used to start with that, but that was because there were no affordable options. But now that we do, then there's no need because this is also like a fire hazard. And now everybody has many choices between Govee, Philips Hue, you got Nordic, Lasco, Crafty lights. We're saying the same thing. This is crazy. This is awesome. They're all customizable and flexible lights as well, right? Because you got the light strips, you got light bulbs. And also what's really cool about them is that they have their own respective apps. You can control the lighting to everything, right? Tone, gradients, all that jazz. It's very useful. And it's RGB. Dude, did you know that we can actually also create DIY projectors with a shoebox and a magnifying glass? Projector. As in projector. Shoebox magnifying glass. Yeah, check this out. Dude, what you think? I don't understand how it works. So the way that it acts is like a pinhole camera where it inverts the image and reflects it. If it's me, I wouldn't do this. Why go through all that trouble to build your own when we have a perfectly working one right here with built-in speakers? Ang kagandahan din dito is meron din siyang auto keystone correction, where you can binge watch your favorite shows with HD quality of up to 1080. And the screen expands to up to 120 inches, right? How much would a 120-inch TV cost? I think it's more efficient if you get one of these, right?
And this is even portable.
If you're after like a bonding experience with your family or whatever it is, then sure, try the shoebox thing. But if you're after a cinematic experience, then this is our Echo.
Tough to beat.
So speaking of bonding, I'm really happy about our little bonding session earlier, Bea. Check it out. Huh, 1, 2, 3, look at that. Well, look at what we made.
It's a DIY
It's a DIY frame. You can see that's me, Justin. There's Bea. But oh, where's Jaime? We're gonna give this to Jaime when he gets back.
Yeah, and he
You know?
doesn't forget
Yes.
us. We made this with just cardboard,
Yeah.
colored paper, scissors, and a couple of clear tape.
Yeah, look at that. So easy. I think it's gonna be a nice centerpiece in Jaime's home.
All right, so if you actually want something that is more customizable and sturdier, then you've got over here the Frame-Yo.
What?
The Frame-Yo.
The Frame-Yo?
The Frame-Yo digital frame.
With it, you can connect your Wi-Fi, okay, and you can share live updates with friends and family through photos and videos. And just the same way, you can also receive photos and videos from them with just one click.
Plus, it has speakers in the back, so you can play music, you can customize it to have other things such as like the time, the weather, and all that stuff. And this is not just limited to a landscape thing, you can also adjust it to be portrait. Look at it.
Thanks a lot. Now I'm cropped, huh? You're still in there. Let's bring it back.
Let's bring it back.
Now
So
I'm back.
yeah,
Okay.
this is why there's a lot of room for smart devices and things like this.
Very cool.
So Justin, since we've been talking about like DIY things, right? I wanted
Yeah.
to ask for your opinion and like your perspective.
It
on
looks
what
very
do you
nice.
think- I know, right?
It looks
Thank
very
you.
nice. Good job. Okay.
The thing is, when it comes to organization, I actually enjoy writing down all of my calendar stuff. But like, what's your take on that in terms of doing it with your hands or going digital?
All right, I see what you're doing over here. I would do this, but what if my lifestyle is more mobile? Enter the Redmi Pad SE. So this would be my roving corkboard, okay? Because I can take it with me anywhere I go. So I can write on it. I can change the color of my pen. With you, you would need to have your physical pencils, your physical pens,
Yeah.
obviously, which is fun and stuff, right? But
Yeah.
I'd imagine that this would be a better solution for someone who lives a more fast-paced lifestyle. And hello, you can use this for more things than just writing down notes and things like that, right? I mean, this is pretty much a multimedia player. It's your access to the internet. You can access your calendar. You can watch movies on it. You can upload photos right from here as well.
You know what? I totally agree with you as well. But I wonder what you guys think. Let us know in the comments below, which one are you more skewed towards? The digital option or the analog option?
You can try out these hacks and explore all these smart devices for yourself.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Next Upgrade.
See ya. Bye.